Excel has hundreds of shortcut key combinations. I have grouped the top 185 Excel shortcut keys into 16 simple categories that make sense. In this video, I will briefly touch on each group and the shortcut keys related to that group. If you are in a hurry, just follow the link in the video description below to view all 185 shortcuts on my website. You can also download this list as a PDF by following the link below. If you have the time, stick around, and I will go through each of the 16 groups and the types of shortcuts in each group. Let's get started. Here are the 16 groups of Excel shortcut keys. File operations. Shortcuts for managing Excel files and workbooks, including creating, opening, saving, printing, and closing documents. Editing cells. Shortcuts to efficiently enter, edit, copy, or modify cell contents, comments, and hyperlinks within a worksheet. Formatting cells. Shortcuts that quickly apply formatting to cells, such as text styles, bold, italic, underline, number formats, currency, percentage, and borders. Navigation and movement. Shortcuts designed to navigate rapidly through worksheets, cells, data regions, screens, or workbook tabs without relying on a mouse. Selecting cells and ranges. Shortcuts that simplify selecting rows, columns, entire worksheets, or specific ranges quickly and precisely. Deletion and clear contents. Shortcuts that allow rapid removal of cell contents, text, or entire cell selections. Hide and unhide. Shortcuts specifically used for hiding or unhiding selected rows and columns, helping to organize and declutter worksheets. Formula and functions. Shortcuts to quickly insert, edit, or manage formulas and Excel functions, including toggling between formula view and normal view. Calculation shortcuts. Shortcuts that control the calculation or recalculation of formulas within a worksheet or across all open workbooks. Find and replace. Shortcuts designed to quickly find specific text or data, or replace content within worksheets or workbooks. Dialog boxes and tools. Shortcuts for opening and interacting with Excel's built-in tools, dialogues, macros, VBA editor, and other advanced features. Miscellaneous. Shortcuts that insert special characters or symbols such as currency, euro, cent, pound, symbols, or that don't fit neatly into other categories. Selecting special cells. Shortcuts that enable selection of specific types of cells, such as visible cells, cells containing formulas, or cells related to formulas, precedence and dependence. Entering date and time. Shortcuts that instantly insert the current date or time into a cell. Movement within selections. Shortcuts used to move efficiently between cells within a selected range or to navigate through multiple selected regions. Other useful shortcuts. General-purpose shortcuts for basic commands such as copying, pasting, undoing, redoing, and cutting cell contents. That's it. Now you have a clear understanding of the different groups of Excel shortcuts. Remember, you don't need to memorize all 185 shortcut combinations. Just follow the link in the video description below and download your PDF copy of all 185 Excel shortcut keys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.